Ellevest co-founder and CEO Sallie Krawcheck joins us here at Post 9. Ellevest just reached a big milestone, $2 billion in assets under management. Congratulations, Sallie.
Thank you.
So it's great to have you because yesterday was Equal Pay Day. Yeah. This is Women's History Month. You've been talking about what you call the feminization of wealth.
Yes.
What does that mean exactly?
Well, so first of all, let's start with all this is great because nothing bad happens when women have more money. And Ellevest, it's true. It's absolutely true. And Ellevest was founded by women for women to help women invest. And I don't have to tell y'all, investing has really been the way, scalable way for individuals to build wealth over any period of time. So getting women to invest, increases their confidence and is good for all of us. The feminization of wealth is happening as women build wealth. But we're thinking a lot about Ellevest, about the great wealth transfer, which is going to occur as the boomers begin to move to the great beyond. Yes, they're giving their money to the kids, but they're also often giving it to their wives. And it won't be too many years before women have the majority of the wealth in this country.
Because their spouses die earlier.
Half of marriages end in divorce. Women live 6 to 8 years longer than their spouses. And so women's longevity is about to do the work that Lean In did not complete, which is getting that money to women.
So you mentioned white space. When you were working at bulge bracket banks, you obviously saw kind of a need here. What is it about kind of the way you advise women that's maybe different from the services that they could get from a traditional wealth manager?
I'm not so sure I saw the opportunity because I sort of said what the street says, which is, men invest more than women do. It's that women are risk averse. We all think that, right? What that is saying is what we're offering is terrific. They're just not buying it. And at Ellevest, we were really the first who said, what if we build something that centers women? And it's as simple as having women financial advisors, but it's also having impact investing. Women aren't hearing it about the anti-ESG. Women are saying, I want to invest for financial returns and impact returns. And it's things like having an investing algorithm that recognizes gender. Why is that important if you're a woman? Because we live longer. We earn less. Those things matter. And then it's a bunch of the little things. Men will invest through jargon and women will stop and say, I'd better understand that. And so it's really in every big and little way, building it for them.
In this current environment, are there different types of advice that women are seeking, and is there different advice that you're giving them?
So we are very much about asset allocation. We believe strongly in it. But what we are hearing is there are points in my life as a woman when I really need an Ellevest. And so we've recently launched, for example, a divorce financial planning package. Right? I mean, super important as someone goes through that, where historically women's wealth decreases when they go through divorce and men's increase. An inheritance financial planning package, a buy a home package. So we approach this often in a very goals-based way because we find that really, one, it's needed, and two, it's extremely motivating as well.
You've been doing this now through a couple of cycles, and I wonder how women think differently from men when the market's setting lows versus when they're setting highs.
Women are better investors than men.
Yes.
Right? Okay. And in good part, that's because they stay the course during down markets. And we saw that in real time at Ellevest when, in fact, a couple of years ago, the market was significantly shrinking. We grew through that. And a good part of it is women absolutely stayed the course. They don't check their accounts as much. They certainly don't look to trade as much. It is by staying invested. As we all know, that can be the secret to those real long-term returns. Oh, yeah. The majority of our clients have recurring deposits into their investing accounts. And so they're dollar cost averaging, even if no one knows what dollar cost averaging is, and that makes a lot of sense.